and this our next task is to take these windshield wiper arms away, and these are really heavy duty things. And let's go to look in here that what is this engineering idea, because there is firstly this cover, plastic cover what protects this nut in here. Excellent engineering. And if you have lost these, please go to visit in BMW's original sales car center in USA or in Europe, and these parts cost only $3 per piece, and in BMW and we can order these parts from original parts from BMW spare part centers. Excellent service. There we can see this nut, and this is 16 mm, and we need 16 mm socket in here, and then spanner, and opening direction is anti-clockwise in that way. And these bolts opens easily, very high quality German steel, excellent engineering, special bolt. And if you have lost this bolt, you can order new bolt from BMW dealership center, and this bolt cost about $7 per piece, and it is really original. And we have to use this original bolt because there is special bolt in here, special nut to special bolt. And then this wiper arm removal. This can be difficult job because this is very tight steel to steel connector, and that we can carefully move this up and down. And then I recommend that we install in here this lubrication spray like this WD-40 in that way, and we can little bit hammer carefully this bolt, very carefully. Do not hammer too much because we can damage this head. And now be carefully, do not use too much force, because if we take this arm like young Hulk Hogan or young Arnold Schwarzenegger, then we can take whole this windshield wipers electric motor out in here, because this is plastic, and we have to work with these BMW's cars like with those mechanic Swiss small clock, very carefully, like very easy, like 1% of force what Hulk Hogan and Arnold Schwarzenegger had when they were 20 years old. And now we can see that this my bolt is stuck, and it means that I need to install in here more lubricant, and carefully I can, this is like plastic, I can hit that and move that little bit up and down now, and now miracles happens with BMW cars. And note that sometimes we have damaged this inner bolt in here. This is nice engineering. This one, there are special lines in here, and if that kind of situation has been happened to you, then you have to purchase new this bolt and motor element. But no worry, you can go again to visit in BMW original car sales center spare part desk, and they will sell you new part, and this cost only $300. This element, this windshield wiper arms motor element, what we can see soon. And now when we have take this first arm away, we do same thing in that right side thing. And then important information. Please look and take photo that in what position these your arms were when you took this away. Because if you install these arms wrongly, you can damage this electric motor, and then this arm can damage your car body. And the right position is in that one. And now I take this arm away and I remove also this second arm. Same idea. Okay, and now when windshield wiper arms are away, our next task is to take this plastic cover away. And this is easy to open, so that we lift up firstly these things, these windshield wiper arms, bolts, locations away, like in that way, out. And then we move that little bit in front. And now it opens nicely. Sometimes this part can be stuck. And remember again, as I said, these are plastic. Look what has been happened. Someone has been used in here force, like Hulk Hogan and Arnold Schwarzenegger when they were young, 20 years old. But if you are 70 or 80 years like Arnold and Hulk Hogan, then you don't damage these. But these parts are plastic and they goes very easily broken. But again, don't worry, this is great German quality car, and you can order this new element from BMW, these original car sales centers, and this part costly only in estimation $150 US. But it is really true that we can purchase these new parts, and now this is almost free. But in this side area we can see that there are a couple of connectors what we have to open, and this is interesting. Firstly, there are those windshield wipers electric heaters, and there is connector, we have to install these away. And then there is this windshield wiper water, this hose, and this opens, so I rotate and pull out, and this is really windshield wiper. And now these parts, connectors, they are free, great, and we can salute. This part is free, and we can also look this another side, because this is great German engineering. There are really electric cables what heat ups these windshield wipers, washers, those spray nozzles. And there's only one issue that some of my friends, they have told that this part can generate electric this shock, and then we might have small fire in here. But we can use water and we can stop this fire. But there has been happened these electric fires what are generated by this windshield washers heat up system. There is really warm element in here, but sometimes it becomes flames, and if we are in hot area like in Texas and California, we can generate big forest fire also if our car becomes flames, and this is really true. And our next task is that firstly we can check that here is really this windshield wiper motor, and these shafts, and it is easy to replace. Windshield wiper motor area, and here we have next part to take out. This is like nice plastic insulation element what eliminates noise, and we have to take now this element almost all area away. There is like three parts, this part, central part and that part, and we have to take those central part and right part away. And let's go to look at how this job happens. Here is really 10mm bolts, one in here, and then second in here, and third in that area. And we have to open these 3 bolts, and let's look closer. There's really 10mm nut what we have to open, and three nuts in here. First one is in here, second in that central area, and third one in this side area in here. And now I open these bolts, and then we can take this central element away. Okay, and there is really 10mm nice nut in here, and this is nice engineering. There is this bolt, special bolt, and now this part moves, and then I take these 2 another bolts away. Here is one in this area. Mm, and there is, it looks like that. And then central part is final bolt what I take next away, and it is in this position. Central bolt is like a little bit hidden in here. Good. Now this bolt opens, and after that we can lift this element totally away. It happens so that now when we have these parts are loosened, these are like combined together. They are a little bit stuck, and carefully then I move these things away. Then this is in here in one piece. Nice engineering, and of course engineering by Germans.